Good evening, friends. This is Samir Kakodkar, President of Goa State Tennis Association, and it is my honor and privilege to introduce Kawaljeet sir and Radhika madam, who is our secretary, Sachin Dukle. And we have just in the process of finishing our play and state tennis ITF certified coaching camp for coaches. What is happening? Then we requested a legend in the coaching industry department in India, Kawaljeet sir, to spend some time with the youngsters in Panjim and the parents. So you're kind enough to take time out and come. Radhika madam is the champion, national champion. So we are very fortunate, Goa is very fortunate that we have the experience and they are time and they agreed to come and spend time with us. So here we are. Sir.
Yes.
Thank you. No, it was, I think this all started about 6-7 months back, and when I got in touch with Samir, and it was wonderful to do whether we were, and the first thing I asked him, do you have coaches? He said, no, we will try to get you coaches. And finally we got about eight coaches from Goa, and rest of all from rest of the country. And Goa is a destination which worldwide, it's a tourist place and people want to come. And I had to stop entries from outside so that we can get more people from Goa. Coming to Goa, I must say I want to congratulate Goa Tennis Association, Sachin and all. They have put a lot of efforts. That's what I was telling others, that this is probably one of my best courses in India I have conducted.
Wow.
One of my best courses. Very good atmosphere, and they have looked after us well, as well as the candidates very well. It's more important the coaches who come from outside, they should go back with a very good memory, and I believe they have shown the Goa hospitality. So thank you very much, Sachin and Samir, for all that. And our best wishes are now the next step that they wanted, what should we do to popularize the game more, and I advised them that let's do a course first, education course. Start with education, and then we will tell you that how to move forward. So I am sure that we are always there from All India Tennis Association with you, and to support Goa Tennis Association in the ways and guidance, whatever way we want to improve in player education or parents education and official education. You already had a national games and in Goa, and we wish you all the best to have your own center in Goa, where your Goa Tennis Association has the control to organize your own activities.
A big thank you to Samir ji and Sachin ji for hosting their first coaches education course, and I think they are the leaders with a big vision, and me and Kawaljeet sir, it's been an absolute honor for me to first time work under him. I can't, like I said, I can't ask for a better tutor to assist me. And so thank you, sir. It's been a pleasure and a lot of learning for the coaches also and for me as well. So it's been a great course, your hospitality, and I think you really took, with not much experience, you really took care of all the minor details. So a big thank you for that.
Course is basically the first course of the International Tennis Federation, and we follow ITF guidelines, and we organize the course as it is done by the ITF, because it is also online, and they check every day what we are doing and what chapters we are conducting. And with this course is now the tennis methodology is that we have to teach tennis on the game-based approach, and competition also starts as early as possible. So the coaches are, as far as our knowledge goes, they are all very happy to know the new methodology, and we are very sure that when they go back to their places, they will do a better job in their coaching field. I think they did very well. As at present, what we see, their theoretical knowledge, they all have cleared the written exam, and which is a great motivation. And in fact, this course we want to encourage maximum, and so that they spread the game. They are our coaches who will spread this game. And my dream, I'll be the happiest person when I see every school in Goa has a tennis court. That was once I did it in Chandigarh, And after 15 years or 10 years, now you go to any school in Chandigarh, they have 1 or 2 tennis courts. So you can imagine that how many children play tennis there. So I'm sure that though the weather is different here, it's a little more lengthy rainy season, but I think once you have the determination, all these things can be overcome. All the best.
So I think what I've seen here is there is a fairly big community of kids as well as adults playing tennis. So me and sir are here to support the Goa State Tennis Association for whatever they need. I say when we have leaders of such a big vision, I think we'll be very happy to support them and grow tennis, grow the coaching community, and really grow the game here in Goa. It's such a great destination. So let's all work together, and I hope we can achieve the goals that we all talked about this week.
From my
Thank
side,
you so much.
from my side, I offer you my services. If you are organizing a junior camp, I will not ask for any money for that.
Oh, wow.
I would love to do at least a few things for my 10 days or 1 week coaching camp for junior children. I would love to come and
Thank you very much, sir.
I mean, of course, if I'm not traveling anywhere with many previous commitments, I want to do something.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, friends,
Yeah.
what you've just seen is a legend, of coaches in India, and the world over, speaking to us. Many of us, are ignorant on the subject, but today is a golden moment in the future of tennis in Goa, and the best are here. As I said, Kawaljeet sir is there, Radhika madam is here. So this is just starting. A lot of work has been done. Luckily for us, the government, under the leadership of Pramod Sawantji, is completely supportive. The SAG is supporting us. Sports minister, all are telling us just go ahead, and they'll support us. So now we need to go to the schools, like sir said. Government will do their work, but we need to do our work also. And the good community is going up here, but we need to get more certified coaches in Goa and spreading the right message, and to get our children trained in the right manner. So all in all, looking very good for Goa tennis. And thank you very much once again, sir.
No,
and
thank you
Madam
so much.
Radhika.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.